Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G14. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter security and privacy. Go to device lock, screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, pin and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Let's start with 2 non-security screen locks, which are non and swipe. And now let's select password. To create it, enter at least 4 characters. Next, let's select PIN number, and to create it, enter at least 4 digits. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create it, connect at least 4 dots. Once it's done, let's go to face and fingerprint unlock. And first let's set up face unlock. Tap start and now scan your face. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select fingerprint unlock, setup, and now scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the side of the phone. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done and now use it to unlock the phone. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.